Keeping things simple is the most important thing in today's DNA and today's world. In stock market, that is really, really applicable. There's so much confusion, so much of complications going on. Everybody is geopolitical expert, macro expert, and it's making even life difficult and confusion and overwhelming for people who are trying to just make simple investment strategy to work. And hence my role here is to share with you what I do as part of Peaceful Weekend Investing. I'm not a macro expert, neither geopolitical expert. I don't know what Trump will do tomorrow. All I know is what is my investment, what is my investment strategy, what is my process, does it fit in, and you make the decision and work towards it. As education, I've done mechanical engineering. I like process, I like checklist, and that makes things more peaceful for me. I shared with you last time that you have to only follow one number, that is oil. What is the price of oil going up and down depending on the tension is easing or getting worse? And that's exactly what happened last week with oil crash. So what I want to share with you is a complete list of macro indicators which I look at it on the weekend basis and go through one by one, and let's understand how you should derive some insight from that. Let me share my screen. My playlist called Macro Watch List. So I go through one by one and skim through all of the important ones because it helps me build that insight. But as I'm looking at sectors and stocks, it gives me the view. Now here what I have a section called currency, crypto, money markets, VIX for fear and greed, world main indices, commodity. So that's what the overall list is. If you have something different, share with me so I know exactly what I can add. That will be good. So let's start with the commodity here quickly. I don't want to go through each and every one. So you got the point. If you want the full list from me, just type macro. I'll share with you my trading view watch list so you can make a copy of it and go through that. For example, here US oil, it has seen a correction. It's a trading view app and you can see clearly there has been 2 weeks of correction, which is telling me that the things have eased out. And that's the reason I was saying watch this number. That is important. Rest all is noise for me, and everything will be seen on the screen, which is the best part of it. And if you look at some of the world indices, and you'll be shocked to see that Nifty and all others, US 500s, all are trading all-time high. That's crazy. Okay, so corrections, when it happens, that's why I say you love the red so that you can enjoy the green. Till the next video, bye bye.